What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to do the automatic roof tilt for the rain sensitivity. So let's say you leave your roof open and it starts raining, it'll automatically close on itself. Or if it doesn't rain, it'll close in 6 hours. Let me show you what it looks like on the iDrive, and then I'll show you how to code it. It's going to look something like this. You go into My Vehicle, Vehicle Setting, Door/Keys, and when you scroll down, you're going to see Roof automatically close or open. And it even tells you a little description right here. Now with the coding, you can use Protool. Now Protool is only for Android devices. I have a link below in the description of a tablet that you can get for like 50 bucks, and that'll save you a ton of headaches. So what I use to connect to Protool is my MHD adapter. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Once you get connected with the OBD adapter, you go ahead and go into Protool. Now Pro Tools, you have many options. You can either use the cable, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet cable. I use the MHD adapter, so I'll go ahead and use Wi-Fi. You click connect. It says, gives you, warnings, just like Beamer code does. Searching for adapter. After it connects, all the modules will be pulled up. Once you're inside of Protool, you go into BDC module. You click on the coding section, edit coding, confirm. Now when it says merge, it's just merging all the modules together, so it makes it easier for you. I already made a backup, so I'll just go ahead and hit cancel. You click on expert. On the very top right, you click on the little search, and then you type in COMFORTS. Go to this option, and you're going to go from disabled to enabled. You're going to hit confirm. You're going to go back, and then you're going to hit finalize on the very bottom. Once you hit finalize, it'll just code the BDC module. And now once that line is coded, you go back to the main menu, and then you scroll down here. This is why Pro Tools is needed for this specific mod, because you can actually access the roof functions that Beamer code won't let you access. So we go into sunroof, coding, edit coding, confirm again. We'll go ahead and make a backup for this. So we'll say sunroof 1, confirm. We go into expert mode, top. We're gonna do 2 lines here. So you type in REGEN active. And it already says here, rain close active. So you go from disabled to enabled. Confirm, go back. So once you do that, you go back and search again, and under sunroof, you search region, position. And it's gonna be that word that I will butcher, or closed. So you head and select closed, you confirm, go back and hit finalize down here. And now you go back and then you go into head unit. This is so you're allowed to check mark on and off when you want to use the option. Go into coding under head unit or radio and Pro Tool, confirm. I'll make another backup here, head unit 1. Go into expert, top right, and you search region, and it should pop up. Yep. So click it, from disabled to enabled. You hit confirm, finalize, and you're done. It's pretty simple. Let me show you what happens when you leave the roof open. So the roof is open. Let's assume it's been a couple hours and it starts raining outside. There you go. It's pretty simple. Or if it's been more than 6 hours, it'll just shut off automatically. Please don't mind my windshield. Let's love bug season in Florida. Alright, that's not good. Alright, you guys need to open up. Take a step back. Take a step back.
All right, we need to make sure we catch that on video.